So welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today and we are going to talk about guys how can be off aeroplane mode setting in a Realme phone. Hence you want to off your aeroplane mode setting in your Realme phone. So then how can you off today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video and first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends now let's see how can be off aeroplane mode setting. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and friends you can see guys your connection and sharing guys. Tap here, friends you can see your aeroplane mode setting. Friends you want to off so then you can off from here. After all guys you can use guys your network setting by Wi-Fi setting as code setting guys you can use. And friends you can see this aeroplane mode icon will remove on your screen, means your aeroplane mode is off. So like that guys we can turn off guys aeroplane mode in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on the next video. And before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. And friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Realme phone setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye friends.